Hey guys, welcome to this short video about how to propagate your ficus. In my case, this is Golden King. We need to find a nice healthy stem that's not too young and not too old. We can use this little guy because we can see that it is actively growing and the leaves are green and healthy. We need to cut off our stem a bit below the node because that's the part which has growth hormones in it, and as a result, the roots will appear from it. The next step is going to be remove most of the leaves on our stem to prevent our little guy from losing moisture from its leaves. And now comes the easy part. We need to put our stem in some water and leave it for about 3 to 4 weeks. After this period, you should start to see the roots make their way. In my case, these roots took about 3 weeks to develop, while sitting next to the window without any direct sunlight. As you can see, the roots have successfully developed, and now our little guy is ready to be planted in soil. Thanks for watching. Now go plant that ficus.